Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. Today is an exciting day because we've got a brand new unboxing and review video for you. I'm thrilled to introduce the Skullcandy Crushers ANC XT, the latest addition to the Skullcandy family. But before we dive in, if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss out on our tech reviews. Alright, let's not waste any more time. Here's the box of the Skullcandy Crushers ANC XT. It's got this sleek matte black design with the Skullcandy logo on top. You can see the product image and some key features on the front. Let's open it up and see what's inside. Here we have the headphones themselves, neatly packed in this protective case. It's great to see that Skullcandy includes a case to keep your headphones safe when you're not using them. Besides the headphones, we also have a user manual, a USB-C charging cable, and an audio cable for wired use. Skullcandy has covered all the bases here. And here they are, the Skullcandy Crushers ANC XT. These headphones look stunning in all black with the Skullcandy logo on the ear cups. The headphones have a volume-based scroll wheel. They feel quite sturdy in the hands, and the ear cushions look plush and comfortable. I can't wait to try these on. Now, let's talk about some of the key features of the Skullcandy Crushers ANC XT. These headphones come with active noise cancellation, which is perfect for blocking out unwanted noise during your commute or when you just want to immerse yourself in music. There's an ANC button right here on the side, and we'll test it out shortly to see how well it performs. Link in the description for Skullcandy Crushers ANC XT. Setting up these headphones is a breeze. They have Bluetooth connectivity, and pairing them with your device is as easy as it gets. I'll quickly pair them with my phone. Plus, these headphones are incredibly comfortable to wear for extended periods. Comparison with Soundcore Space One. That's it for today's unboxing and initial impressions of the Skullcandy Crushers ANC XT. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions about these headphones or any other tech products, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching!